on our team.
Hey YouTube, it's Airsoft Experts 1 here with me, Brandon, our new member Cash, Griffin, Alex and his Juggernaut, Mike, of course the owner of Marshall, Perry, and Keegan. And that's Keegan.
Brandon sat on his gun.
We're about to do a team deathmatch right now. The team is going to be Perry, Marshall, and Cash versus Alex, Griffin, Mike, and Keegan. And we have new videos for you. We have some scenario videos. We have scenario videos where you see myself being held hostage twice. Once Keegan's hostage, and another time Marshall was hostage, but I saved him. So this is Airsoft Experts 1. We're about to have some fun. This is Team Deathmatch, Part 1. I swear to God, like a shot. Do not shoot the cameraman!
Ow, he just nailed me. Ass.
I'm gonna go check on the other players. There's Perry. Hey, I'm cameraman, man. So we have Mike. That's my finger, I'm sorry. That's Mike. Apparently someone's back there. Ooh. Oh shit! Standoff. It's gonna be a standoff. If I get shot, I'm kicking both of you in the nuts. You out?